This is our new portable camping coffee grind set. The coffee set includes the main tools for making a cup of coffee, adjustable thickness of manual coffee grinder, preset gooseneck spout out of the power over pouch, reusable solid wood tree glass filter pouch, high borosilicate glass material coffee pouch. We also have the handy coffee accessories, an electronic scale, filter paper, coffee spoon, and a cleaning brush each. Manual pour-over coffee set, business trip, and camping good partner means the quality of life. High-end package, the best choice for business gifts. Our factory in line with ISO 9001 standards, international BSCI certification, product quality screen, strict quality stability. All of our products have meet FDA LFGB to achieve the high quality applicable to kitchen table or dining room.